Now let us discuss about elimination of left recursion. We can say that a grammar has left recursion if the production is of the form A produces A alpha by beta. Here the left hand side non-terminal as well as right hand side non-terminal both are same only. Then we can say that the production has left recursion. Then in order to eliminate the left recursion, replace this production by A produces beta A dash, where A dash implies this alpha, A dash or epsilon. So let us eliminate the left recursion for this grammar. So the first production is E produces E plus T by T. So here we have left hand side non-terminal E as well as right hand side non-terminal is also E. So both are same. So we can say that the production has left recursion. This production is of the form A produces A alpha by beta. So replace this production by A produces. Here A means E produces, beta means T, A dash. What is A dash? E dash. A produces beta A dash, where A dash implies, A dash means E dash implies alpha A dash. Alpha means plus T, A dash means this E dash or epsilon. Let's see the next production. S produces S, 0S, 1S or 0, 1. So here the left hand side non-terminal is S, right hand side one is also S. Both are same. We can say that this production has left recursion. So this is in the form of A produces A alpha or beta. So replace this production by A produces, here A means S produces, beta, beta means 0, 1, A dash means S dash, where A dash implies, S dash implies alpha, alpha means 0S, 1S, alpha A dash means S dash or epsilon. Let us observe the next production. Here the left hand side non-terminal is S, whereas here the right hand side one is left parenthesis. So both are different. So we can say that this production has no left recursion. So there is no need of any removal. So after removing also, this is the output only. Next, let's see this one. L produces L comma S or S. Left hand side non-terminal, right hand side non-terminal, both are same only. So this production has left recursion. A produces A alpha or beta. Here A means this L. So replace this production by A produces, L produces, beta. Beta means S, A dash means L dash, where A dash implies, L dash implies alpha. Alpha means comma S, A dash means L dash or epsilon. Let us observe the last production. Here the left hand side non-terminal is F, here left parenthesis. So both are different. So no left recursion. If a production is of this form, then also we can say that the production has left recursion. If you observe here, the left hand side non-terminal is A. If you observe the right hand side, here the left hand side non-terminal is A. If you observe the second production, the left hand side non-terminal is A. So we can say that this production has left recursion. In order to eliminate the left recursion, replace this production by, here previously A produces beta A dash, but here we have multiple betas. So beta 1 A dash or beta 2 A dash, where A dash implies previously alpha A dash by epsilon, but here we have multiple alphas. So alpha 1 A dash or alpha 2 A dash or epsilon. Okay. So let us eliminate the left recursion for these two productions. So if you observe here the left hand side non-terminal is EXPR. If you observe the first production, left hand side non-terminal is EXPR. Here also EXPR. So this is in the form A produces A alpha 1, A alpha 2. So this is nothing but beta 1. So in order to eliminate the left recursion, replace this production by A produces. Here A means EXPR produces beta 1 A dash. Here we have only one beta 1. So ID A dash means EXPR dash. Here we don't have any beta 2. Next, where A dash implies EXPR dash implies alpha 1 A dash. What is alpha 1 plus expr A dash? A dash means expr dash or alpha 2. What is alpha 2? Star expr. Star expr alpha A dash. A dash means expr dash or epsilon. Now let us remove left recursion for this production. So if you observe here, this is in the form A produces. This is nothing but A. This part is alpha 1. So this is A. So yes, yes, yes. Alpha 2. So this is beta 1. This is beta 2. So replace this production by A produces. S produces beta 1 A dash. Beta 1 means XS. A dash means S dash, or beta 2 means A dash. A dash means S dash, where A dash implies alpha 1. Alpha 1 means X A dash, or alpha 2 means SB A dash or epsilon. So likewise, we can solve any problem very, very easily.